Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These overalls from Jessica Simpson. They have the adjustable strap, the one pocket, side pocket, barrel leg, and then the seam fit through the back, and they're $39.50. Seeing a new free assembly shirt. These match back to the shorts we saw in the same print. They have the smaller collar, button on the wrist, oversized fit, seam fit through the back. Top is going to be $24. So pineapple dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker straps, this little ruche detailing smocking fit and flare, seam fit through the back in the pink pineapple. Also comes in the white and yellow, and they're going to be $34. New smock dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the high neckline, smocking with the fit and flare, little squared back with the tie detail, and they're going to be $26. So comes in, I know it's a different one, I saw this before, but I'm seeing a new dress, the little swans, or like flamingos. I think they're flamingos for pink. But they have the V neckline, elastic under the bust, fit and flare. And then the seam fit through the back with elastic. And I think that's it, just that color. New flamingo dress. Oh, this is the green dress. So that's what it looks like. It has embroidered flamingos. A little tie back. Shorts that match back to the tops. So I showed these before. They have the elastic waistband with the drawstring. That's a cute matching set. Color in the cardigan from Jessica Simpson. This has that little tie detail, bell sleeve with the pointel, scallop bottom. We saw the green. Now they have the brown stripe, and these are $28.50. Denim from Time and True. These have the pork chop pockets, elastic through the back. It's a nice lighter weight trouser style denim, and they are $24.98. Denim skirts from No Boundaries. These have that little gingham trim, side button with the pocket, the little tie in the red and white check, also the blue and white, and they're going to be $16.98. New little tie front dress from No Boundaries. This has the adjustable straps, the ruffled trim, little tie, squared in the back. They're $14.98. It's this little mesh polka dot. Has that corset seaming, pleating, squared in the back, and they're $14.98. No fold over skirts from No Boundaries. This has that grommet detailing, stretchy with the slit in the blue plaid. Also comes in black, and they're $9.98. So a little off the shoulder top from No Boundaries. This has that slope banding in the black. Also comes in the light blue. Tops are $9.98. And then how cute are these little skirts? So they have that asymmetrical tear. They're true skirts. I don't see shorts underneath, but they have the light blue and then a black and gray stripe, and they're $9.98. The tube tops from No Boundaries. These have the little elastic, that tie detail with the ruching, removable pads, squared in the back in the white, yellow. They have baby blue and black, and they're $7.98. Lawn straight pants from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy wide leg in the light blue with the white, also yellow with the white, and they're $16.98. Denim from No Boundaries. These are a barrel leg. Looks like they have that smaller zipper, so I think that means they're low rise. Same fit through the back, and they're $19.98. With No Boundaries overalls. So those have the adjustable strap, squared neckline, wide flowy leg, same fit through the back. They're $19.98. New sweatshirt from No Boundaries. This has that crew neckline, the drop sleeve. It's a soft French terry with the seam in the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the red stripe, and they are $14.98. Also new bodysuits from No Boundaries. These have that rib strap V neckline. It's a seamless material in the red. Also comes in black. And they're $8.98. Denim from Millie Bobby Brown. These look like they're low rise, wide leg in the dark wash. Pockets on the back, and they're $26.50. New denim shorts from No Boundaries. These have that raw hem in the mid-tone, lighter wash, even lighter wash. Those are only $12.98. Lace top. I saw this one online. I like it. Has the V neckline with that little tie, the little tier squared in the back, and I'm pretty sure this also comes in another color. I can't think of what it is. It's either brown or green. Brought some new colors in the sequin tank from No Boundaries. It has a thicker strap, scoop neckline. I showed it in the brown and baby pink. Now they have it in this gray and green. They are going to be, I think they're $14.98, and these tabs are also $14.98. Celebrity pink barrel jeans. So these look like they're mid-rise. They have the flat pockets. They look a lot like a designer pair of jeans that I had. I thrifted them. These are very similar, and they're $24.50. And asked about these paisley jeans. I found them in the men's department. So if you were looking for them, I think the smallest size is either 28 or 29, but they're a straight leg. Look how cute. They're $32. New celebrity pink overall. So these have the adjustable straps, a little flap, side button, fit and flare, $26.50 in that mid wash, also in the lighter wash. So lots of overalls today. In this polka dot skirt, or is it a skirt? So we saw the polka dot. Now they have solid white, and they're $16.98. Seeing they have the NC double A stuff, the Florida Gators V neckline, ribbed wrist, and then this hoodie. These are $44.98. New Avia jackets. These have the polo collar, zip front, banded wrist, and they are $27. Long sleeve Avia tees. They have the crew neckline. It's a soft sculpt material, so very like Lululemon. In the brown, white, there's green and black, and they are, let's see the price. Color in the Jessica Simpson longer like pleated pants. So these are flat front, elastic through the back, and then the seam fit. $28.50 in that black print. We also saw them in the green. Core leggings are on sale. So these are moisture wicking high rise in the charcoal, the light gray, down to $7, regularly $16.98. New Avia tanks. Look how nice this material is. Has the thicker strap, racer back in the black, gray. There's the pink and blue, and they're $10. New Jessica Simpson shorts. So look, they're the longer style with the raw hem. It says they are Bermuda shorts, and they are $26.50. New denim from Jessica Simpson. This is the Fresia high-rise wide leg. And it looks like this mid-tone, and then they also have this lighter wash, and they're $26.50. So new grommet jeans from No Boundaries. So these are like that dirty look. They have this, or like studs. People get mad when I use the wrong words because I'm exhausted. The little flare. I know the difference between grommets and studs. I just talk here. I'm just talking to myself in the store with a bunch of people. So what these dresses are, they have the crew neckline, cap sleeve, same fit through the back. That's what it looks like up close. You can just like hang around the house. In the gray, there's black, and they're $10. A little lacing shorts. I got Mickey, the true original. This is a soft fleece with the lace trim. What's this one? The Lightning McQueen. Come sail with me, Snoopy. That's a boxer. There's Hello Kitty shorts. There's boxer shorts with the Winnie the Pooh. Jessie from Toy Story. There's a Ford, and then a Rolling Stone, and a Dr. Pepper. And it says the shorts are all $10.98. Above it, they have a Camaro tank. Graphic on the back. Budweiser. We might have saw that. Journey. There's a few of those. Mickey. Mandalorian. With the grommet. The grommet tee is Journey. They got a lot of those actually. And Winnie the Pooh. Another grommet tee. It says Guns N' Roses. The angel. That one's cute. And the tees are $12.98. My Saturdays are booked. And Blondie we saw. This one is Gilmore Girls. So in that red are these track pants from No Boundaries. We saw them in the black, also in the blue. Now they have this red. They have the elastic waistband, the side stripe, and they are going to be $14.98. Denim from No Boundaries. So these look like they are mid-rise. They might be low-rise. Yeah, low-rise. Whiskering their straight leg. And then the seam fit through the back. And they're $16.98. So new from No Boundaries. Baggy, mid-rise. They have the whiskering. It also says they have stretch. That's what the ankle looks like. I love this light wash. They have the mid-tone, this another mid-tone and black, and they're also $16.98. Eternity line has these dresses and they're on sale, but look how pretty. I think anyone could wear this. Really cute. And the red gingham. There's also the black and white, and they are on sale. I think they're between $15 and $19. So look for less. Seamless bras. These are from Avia with that black trim. Look how much it's like aloe, and like they have the colors too. These are $13.98. They also have the black, the white, and that beige. The Halloween pajama sets. They got the coffees with the shorts, way to celebrate. The pink. And then look at the gray ghost with the little floral ghost. How adorable. They're $16.98. Some more pajamas from Way to Celebrate. Crew neck, drop sleeve, Bon Appetit with the little dog. And then they have a blue one with the little skeleton bears embroidered. What else? Ghost him. That's what I'm going to do to Rich. It says ghost him. This cute little dog with the pumpkins. The dog with the pumpkin pants. Pink sweatshirt that goes with that. And ghost with the ghost pants. The one that I told you guys has the good pajamas. So they have the wide leg with little skulls. And then look at the boxy tees. They have that boat neckline. The beige and white coffees. The ghost, the stuff. Pink dogs. The black ghost that goes with the pants. And then more of those pull-on pants. It says that the shirts are $9.98, and I think the pants are $13.98. So having a lot of those prints, a little tank and short set. So they have that thicker strap, scoop neckline, hatching material in the taupe with the pumpkins. They have the black ghost with the moon and the stars. Oh, look, they have another floral little ghost with the orange. Over here they have a blue. Oh, look, the little cat. And those sets are $16.98. Inside they got the little pumpkin spice latte with the shorts. And I think we saw all the other prints. Gowns with the socks, $11.98 from Way to Celebrate. They have that crew neckline. These are so soft and stretchy. I love this print to make little stuff with my sewing machine for Lily. The ghost print that I like. The cat. I don't like that they have candy corn socks with that. I feel like they should. Oh wait, they have little candy corns there. They should have did the cat though. And then they have the pumpkin spice. I like the pumpkin spice stuff. And then on this side, the shorts and button-down shirts we saw. So here's the little masquerade one, the pumpkin spice. The Cats also comes in that, and they're also $16.98. Back these scoop shoulder bags with some new colors. It has the gold hardware, top zip. It says these are 37. I hope those aren't 37. That's way too much money for that. Green, beige, black. The little drawstring bag, that says 38. They really got to be kidding me with those prices, though. You could go in TH Gate and get a fake LV, better quality. Same Wrangler bags. If you guys want to see back to school, let me know. Last year that didn't do too well, so. I mean, I don't love showing non-clothes items, but I'll do it for you. The new Believe a Brilliance tennis necklace, and now they also do the big earrings. $16.98 for the set. It has the nice jewelry stands. Little drawer for the rings, $29.98. See, that's too much. You can go on my TikTok shop. I think I got them for like $15. They have in the kids section little fake Labubus, and they're not bad price. They're $5.98, $6. Goodness, how cute is this? With the pencils. Guys, we got boots. Madden NYC, chunky heel, square toe, black, and the Merlot. These are $50. No Scenario heels. They have the square toe, chunky heel, the green patent, $24.98. Sneakers from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, the gummy bottom, and the blue. We saw the light blue. They also have brown and this beige and black, and they're $24.98. Knit Time and True loafers. These have that round toe. Look at the bottom, has the little grips on it, and they're $24.98. So it looks like online only little loafers with the little charms or boat shoes. They have that scrunch back from No Boundaries. Mary Jane's from No Boundaries. These have the round toe buckle in the black. They also have the burgundy, and they're $19.98. Summit heeled sandals from No Boundaries. These have the square toe, chunky heel in this taupe color, and they're $24.98. Colors in the kitten heels from Time and True. These have that square toe, the multi-strap. Now in this new burgundy, so I guess burgundy's coming back for fall. I'm really surprised. It's like the third year we're doing lots of burgundy. And then they also have this new brown suede look. I'm pretty sure brown is going to be like brown is the new black again. And then we also have the golds, and those are $26.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.